Back to our channel, and this video is related to breaking news coming from IBM. 25 ASE role opportunity, 2026 another mega opportunity software developer role is there. 8 LP is the package, and there is not only IBM opportunity but there is EPAM biggest mega drive 8 LP and one more internship opportunity which is for analyst category. ठीक है, so watch video till end and please like this video and please understand IBM very carefully because there is 25 26 another batch opportunity. I mean, means both is separated. You have to understand who is eligible, and if you are eligible then you want to apply or not. So please go and apply for both bulk opportunity. Yesterday I uploaded. Go apply it as soon as possible. Like this video to subscribe our channel. First I am going to tell you. First of all, I am going to tell you about IBM ASE role, which you already know about it, and I already uploaded many video regarding this. Because if you see here, IBM new phase opportunity, I already told you, and this is the new phase opportunity for 2025 early entry level. Multiple location is there because this is pan India opportunity, mega bulk opportunity, entry level opportunity, and this is only for 2025 batch. If you see here, there is clearly mentioned, no need to think about too much. 25 only batch is eligible. BE, BTech, Computer Science, all IT, Engineering branch is eligible, and 60% throughout is mandatory, and no active backlog, entry level off campus drive. Please update your resume to get shortlisted. See, there is no shortlisting in IBM if there is mass hiring going on. This is just a criteria you have to follow, like 60%, 25 batch, and qualification, graduation. If you are following this only criteria, means क्राइटेरिया होता है जो क्वालिफिकेशन से रिलेटेड, देन यू आर एलिजिबल, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट द मेल. यहाँ पे ये चीज़ मैटर करती ही नहीं है कि तुम्हारे पास ये मेंशन है वो मेंशन नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो कुछ मेंशन वैसे भी नहीं है. डोमेन यहाँ पे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग नहीं होती, यहाँ पे सबको मौका मिलता है. बस क्राइटेरिया फॉलो करो और अप्लाई करो. और अगर तुम अप्लाई कर रहे हो तुम्हारे 60% से कम है एंड यू आर फ्रॉम 24 बैच, देन वो वेरिफिकेशन के टाइम पे बाहर कर देंगे. तो अप्लाई ओनली व्हेन यू आर एलिजिबल, यू आर फॉलोइंग द क्राइटेरिया. क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई नाउ. दिस इज ओनली फॉर 25 बैच. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल you about 26 mega opportunity going on Kochi Calgary software developer, but most probably this is direct test opportunity because I already completed the 2 coding question 1 year ago and I got the interview mail for Kochi Kerala location and that will be face to face. यहाँ से तुम समझ सकते हो रिवर्ट बैक आ रहा है. अब तुम्हारे ऊपर 8 LP का पैकेज लेना है, ले सकते हो. 1 लाख का बोनस होता है इसमें. ठीक है, मुझे मेल मिल चुका है इसका. एंट्री लेवल अपॉर्चुनिटी इज देयर, रेगुलर एम्प्लॉयमेंट है बिकॉज दिस इज फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट this opportunity, but if you check this, here is not written any batch, just like here. ठीक है, here you can see that clearly mentioned 25 only, but here is not mentioned. But if you read very carefully, then you get to know that we are opening the door for only final year graduate student, means 2026 batch is only eligible. 6 months of an internship and grow into full time, because in 6 months they will provide you 25,000 and in full time opportunity 8 LP is the package and 1 lakh is the joining bonus. So BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT, Software Engineering is eligible. Now in this opportunity, if this is direct test opportunity, because यहाँ पे हमने देख चुका है, तो यहाँ पे shortlisting होगी in an interview. Means if you complete the round 1 successfully, then there is shortlisting for an interview. So Go language anywhere, programming, front end technology, back end technology, testing tool, and test automation, Python हो गई, API, GitHub हो गया. This is mandatory. And currently pursuing only 26 batch. BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT, Software Engineering is eligible. Now put any containerization, Kubernetes or Docker. This will help you to get shortlisted in an interview. And this is the Kochi Kerala location. And if you see here that hybrid location is there, means work from home, work from office चलेगा तुम्हारा. And job ID is there, but you don't have to take referral because this is great opportunity. So what to do now? Just hit the apply button because this is great opportunity, mega opportunity going on. ASE role 25 batches eligible, software developer only 26 batches eligible. So I already told you to make a drive, so hit the apply button and like this video for this. Now next opportunity, now listen carefully because I am talking about EPAM, and this time you have to listen very carefully. Now understand what I am telling. See, junior software engineer trainee role is there, and talking about qualification, 70% aggregate in graduation, BE, BTech, CSIT, NC is eligible. Only 25 batches eligible. 60% in academics is very mandatory. No active backlog, and यहाँ पे if you see here that 27,000 per month is your stipend, and in full time employment you will get the 8 LPA. Now what to add in resume to get shortlist? Here you can see that computer science, IT, software engineering fundamental, DS algorithm, object oriented is very mandatory. If first line is missing, means this part, then you will never get the shortlisting mail. At least one programming, SQL, database, version control, problem solving. This is very basic domain if you are applying for a software engineer trainee role or software engineer roles. Okay, now read responsibilities part, because here is written Selenium, which is testing tool, and SDLC, QA, DevOps is written here, and you will not get to see in this requirement. So please add domain from responsibilities part also and from requirement part also. And one more thing, no gap between 10, 12th and maximum 1 year gap allowed between 12th and graduation. Now what to do? Now what you have to do, just click on apply now. Just click on apply now. You will redirect to naukri.com, and here is something, phone number they are asking. You can update easily or apply it as soon as possible, because this is great opportunity. This is mega drive going on. EPAM, leading modern engineering partner for global adaptive enterprises. So please apply it. Junior developer role is their trainee, and this is intensive 5-month training program. They will provide you training and then give you full-time engineering role at EPAM. ठीक है, और बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. सो कंप्लीट दिस प्रोग्राम एंड कंप्लीट योर असेसमेंट वगैरह सब अच्छे से कंप्लीट करो, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल रिसीव द मेल इफ यू पुट दिस डोमेन रेज्यूमे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बिगेस्ट मेगा ड्राइव कमिंग फ्रॉम B2B travel tech company, and if you see here that this is Trav-Dan करके company name is there, operation analyst intern, 6 month of duration, performance based PPO. Now if you see the salary package, this is the package as per month. ठीक है, और जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होता है मेरे हिसाब से यार, because your starting stipend will be 25 for the first 3 months. If you see here, after that in 4 month 30,000, 5th month 35,000, 6th month 40,000. It means you will receive the full time package up to 6 LP 7 LP. बिल्कुल यहाँ पे देख सकते हो तुम. सर्टिफिकेशन ऑन कंप्लीटिंग ऑफ द इंटर्नशिप, LOR PPO ऑन डिलीवरिंग एक्सपेक्टेशनल, मतलब अगर अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे बेस्ड ऑन परफॉर्मेंस यू विल रिसीव 5 to 7 LP, एंड दिस इज वेरी बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज बहुत हाई पैकेज है ये. एंड नाउ व्हाट टू ऐड इन रेज्यूमे. इफ यू सी हियर दैट कंटेंट एनालिस्ट एट TravClan is a key role for focus on Excel, fixing data error, creating reports, ठीक है, and enhance sales and improve user experience. Now ideal for those who are detailed oriented and organized. तो तुमको समझ आ गया कि यहाँ पे क्या मेंशन करना है. ये पूरी लाइन मेंशन करनी होगी, ये चीज़ें आनी चाहिए तुम्हें. ठीक है. एंड नाउ व्हाट टू डू. इट्स इनफॉर्मल, ड्रेस कोड, फ्री स्नैक, और ये पर्क होने वाले हैं तुम्हारे. नाउ अप्लाई इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. डोंट मिस दिस, बट प्लीज now come down and be must means you have to add this domain in resume. This is mandatory, and this also because interpersonal skill is also written there. Now aptitude test is there, which is 50-minute aptitude test. Then group discussion is the 30-minute duration. Technical task is there. Excel data analysis means a mini project you can say, and personal project 2-3 video interviews, and then offer letter you will get easily if you crack this. Location is Delhi, and working hours is 9:30 till gets over means 5 तक ही होगा. ठीक है, और क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग पीरियड है तो थोड़ा लेंथ बढ़ जाएगी, क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है पहले तो, बिकॉज 3 मंथ जो होगा ना दिस विल बी योर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, ट्रेनिंग पीरियड होगा इन विच यू विल गेट for 25,000. after that 40,000 up to 7 LP package you can easily grab, and you can easily grab that package if you clear each and everything and performance अच्छी रही तो. So please EPAM and 25 batch ASE, 26 batch software developer, and this opportunity don't miss. Just apply it as soon as possible. Hit the apply button, like this video, do watch SCL, and tomorrow is the means today is the last date. Apply it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.